For everyone interested in selling digital products online, whether it's on Etsy or Amazon, and for anyone looking to make money online, this video is for you. I promise that if you watch until the very end, you'll be able to create beautiful children's storybooks completely from scratch. But we're not going to stop there. I'll also show you how to create a professional quality video based on your story, so you can publish it across social media platforms and generate income from multiple sources at the same time. This isn't just another tutorial. It's a complete step-by-step workflow that combines AI, digital products, and content creation into one practical business strategy. You'll see exactly how everything connects together and how you can use the same content in multiple ways to maximize your earning potential. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have learned several practical ways to make money online through a complete hands-on process, and I'm sure you're going to be amazed by what's possible. In this video, I'll be using the incredible platform AZ8.art, which honestly amazed me. By the way, it's one of the best and most affordable platforms for creating videos and images using the latest AI models when compared to many other websites. This is one of the most cost-effective AI video tools I've found, and there's currently a discount available on the annual membership plan as well. It also includes features that you won't find anywhere else, and we're going to discover those features together throughout this tutorial. And one more thing, we're going to be doing a giveaway for 3 completely free pro accounts. So make sure you watch this video all the way to the end so you can participate in the giveaway. Now let's jump directly into this amazing platform. This is the main interface of the website. Once you sign in, you'll find your available credits displayed here in the upper left corner. To create a new project, all you need to do is click on New Project, and it will open this large, organized canvas for you. Here at the top right, you'll find the Share button. Using this feature, you can send your project link to your friends, and they can help you work on the exact same canvas. You can collaborate together in real time on a single project, which is a feature I rarely see on other platforms. Teamwork creates incredible projects, and this feature makes collaboration extremely easy. Meanwhile, from here you can create both images and videos effortlessly, and you can connect everything together in one workflow, and you'll see exactly how that works in just a moment. This makes producing high-quality images and complete visual projects much easier than traditional methods. Now, to create a video and story like the one you saw at the beginning of this tutorial, we need to build several components. First, we need to generate images of the characters that we'll use throughout the story. Then we need to create an environment image that matches our story world. After that, we'll generate the images for each scene of the story. Finally, we'll convert those scenes into videos to achieve that incredible cinematic result. So pay close attention, and let's jump straight into the practical step-by-step process of creating this story. Let's get started. First, I'm going to click on the image icon so we can create an image using AI. Then I'll describe the first character for our story, and after that, I'll choose the AI model that I want to use. In my case, I'm definitely going with GPT Image 2. Next, here in the settings, you can choose your image dimensions. I'm going to select a 9:16 aspect ratio, choose the quality settings, and then select how many images I want to generate. For this example, I'm going to generate 3 images. And by the way, if you look over on the right side of the canvas, you'll notice a feature called Zumi. One of the most impressive features of AZ8 is Zumi, an AI creative partner that helps you improve every stage of the video creation process. If you're struggling with prompts, Zumi can find inspiring reference videos based on your idea and even let you reuse the best parts of their prompts to get better results. After generating your videos, Zumi can analyze the output, give it a quality score, and provide suggestions for improvement. This is incredibly useful because it helps you understand what is working well and what can be optimized to achieve even better results. And as your project grows, Zumi can brainstorm with you, evaluate your story, and suggest new creative directions that you may not have considered before. It's almost like having an AI director working right alongside you throughout the entire creative process, helping you build better videos, stronger stories, and more professional results from start to finish. And this is actually one of the features that impressed me the most about this platform, and you'll see exactly how it helps us throughout the process of creating this video. After that, I'm going to generate the 3 images for the first character. Then, using the exact same method, I'll create 3 additional images for the second character, because my story will contain 2 main characters. Next, to make sure that both the characters and the location remain consistent throughout every chapter and scene of the story, all I need to do is create an environment image using the same process. This is a very important step because consistency is one of the biggest challenges when creating AI-generated stories and cinematic videos. Now let's take a look at the results. You'll notice that Zumi is actively interacting with me and giving me suggestions on how to improve the scenes in my story. Honestly, this is incredibly impressive and something I really liked. If you follow its recommendations, you'll often get even better results. Take a look at the images we generated. The first character looks fantastic, and the character has been created from multiple angles, which helps maintain consistency throughout all the scenes of the story. The second character also turned out great. Now I'm going to choose 1 image for the first character and 1 image for the second character, and then I'll delete the remaining images since I won't need them. As for the environment image, I think I made a mistake when I created it using a 9:16 aspect ratio. I actually want the environment to be much larger and wider, so I'm going to generate it again. This time, I'll use a 16:9 aspect ratio instead. And just look at the result now! It looks amazing and is much more suitable for the video that I'm planning to publish. The scene feels larger, more cinematic, and much more immersive. Now there's another incredible feature inside AZ8 called 3D World. In my opinion, this feature alone deserves an entire dedicated video because there's so much you can do with it. But let me quickly show you how it works. If we click on the menu next to the environment image and choose World, we can instantly transform that environment image into a fully explorable 3D world. Let's generate it and take a look at the result, because I want to show you exactly how this can benefit your projects. As you can see, the environment has now become a complete 3D world. You can move around inside it and even capture screenshots from different angles. If you want to place your characters in different locations while keeping the entire story in the same environment, this becomes incredibly useful. This is a huge advantage for cinematic storytelling because it helps maintain a consistent world throughout the entire film. Instead of generating completely new backgrounds every time, you can work within the same environment and simply change camera positions and character placements. Another thing you can do is adjust the quality settings based on your computer's specifications. You can lower the quality for better performance or increase it for maximum visual detail. However, my computer starts experiencing some lag because it's rendering significantly more detail. That's why I personally prefer using the medium quality setting. It gives me a great balance between image quality and smooth performance, allowing my computer to run efficiently while still producing excellent results. And it gets even better. You're not limited to just exploring the environment. You can actually add characters directly into this 3D world and move them around freely. You can move them forward, backward, up, down, rotate them, and position them exactly where you want. You can even make them perform different actions using the available animation options. So if you want your character standing in a specific location within the environment, all you have to do is place the character exactly where you want, adjust the pose and position, and then capture a screenshot. After taking the screenshot, you can add it directly back into your Canvas project. This gives you incredibly detailed control over character placement and scene composition throughout your story. Honestly, this is an amazing feature because it allows me to control my characters with a much higher level of precision. And when you're creating cinematic films, that level of control can make a huge difference in the final result. As you can see, the screenshot I captured has now been added directly to my project, and I could use it later if I wanted to. However, for this particular video, I'm not going to use it. We're simply exploring the feature so you can see what's possible inside AZ8. Now let's move on to creating the scenes for our video. All we need to do is add an image that is connected to our environment image, and then we'll also link the two character images to it. By doing this, the new image we're generating will use both the environment image and the character images as references. This allows every scene to remain perfectly consistent, using the same location and the same characters throughout the entire story, which is one of the most impressive features of this platform. Next, we'll describe our first scene, choose a 16:9 aspect ratio, and generate the image. And within seconds, just look at the quality and detail of this first scene. It uses the exact same environment and the exact same character with remarkable consistency and accuracy. Another thing I really like is how easy it is to edit your images. If there's something you don't like, you don't need to start over and generate an entirely new image from scratch. You can simply click on the image and make adjustments directly, saving a huge amount of time and effort. Now, to create the image for scene 2, I'm going to use the image from scene 1 as a reference as well. And don't forget to connect the two character images to the new scene you're generating. This is a very important step because it helps maintain consistency across the entire story. Within seconds, you'll see that the platform has once again used the same environment and the same characters for the second scene. And using this exact workflow, I'm going to create all the scenes for my story. It's actually much easier than most people think. If you're not sure how to write prompts, you can simply tell Zumi that you want to create a video, and it will help you generate prompts quickly and efficiently. This can save you a lot of time, especially if you're new to AI content creation. Now we only have one final step left before we get our professional quality video. We need to transform these images into videos. For example, I'll start with the image from scene 1. This time, instead of selecting image, I'm going to click on video. Then I'll choose the AI model, and of course, I'm selecting Cadence 2 because, in my opinion, it's currently one of the best AI models available for video generation. After that, I'll choose the quality settings, the video duration, and the video dimensions, which will again be 16:9. And here, you'll find a feature that I haven't seen on any other platform. It's called Inspire Me. If you click on it, the platform can analyze your prompt and show you examples before generating the video. That's incredibly useful because it helps you refine your idea and improve your results before spending credits. Not only that, but it can also evaluate your prompt and suggest improvements through our friend Zumi. This means you're not working alone. The platform is actively helping you create better content. After that, I'll generate the video. Then, using the same process, I'll convert all of my story scenes into video clips. You'll also notice that Zumi has already suggested several improvements that can help me create more engaging, higher quality videos. Honestly, this is one of the biggest advantages of the platform. If you're not confident in writing prompts, Zumi can recommend adjustments and improvements that help you create professional-looking videos without needing advanced prompt writing skills. And now that we've finished creating all of our scenes, let's take a look at the amazing video we've created. As you can see, my friend, I am genuinely amazed by the result. I honestly didn't expect a platform to be capable of creating a video this good, this quickly, and with this level of consistency. The final result looks fantastic. It's exactly the kind of content children would enjoy watching, and I'm confident that a video like this has the potential to attract thousands of views across social media platforms. And the best part is that we created the entire project step by step using AI-powered tools that made the process dramatically easier and faster. And just like I promised you at the beginning of this video, we're not going to stop at creating a video. We're also going to create a digital product from it. That's where things get really interesting. All I need to do is use the same scenes we've already created, but this time I'll generate images specifically for a storybook. I'll simply tell the AI to transform this scene into a storybook page suitable for a digital product. Then I'll select a 3:4 aspect ratio, and within seconds, take a look at the result. It has generated 2 beautiful story pages for me automatically, and the process couldn't be easier. This means you can create storybook pages that are directly connected to your video with just a few clicks. Your video and your digital product can now work together as part of the same project, creating an entire content ecosystem around a single idea. And just look at the quality. These are the kinds of results that were extremely difficult to achieve in the past, yet now you can create them quickly and efficiently using the same assets you've already generated for your video. So as you can see, instead of creating only a video, we've also created the foundation for a digital product that can potentially be sold on platforms like Etsy or Amazon. That's the power of combining AI video creation with digital product creation in a single workflow. And as I mentioned at the beginning of this video, the team at AZ8 has generously provided 3 free pro accounts for my viewers. So if you'd like to participate in this giveaway, here's what you need to do. Leave a comment down below and tell me what you liked most about this platform. And if you have any suggestions for features or improvements you'd like to see added in the future, make sure to include those in your comment as well. 3 winners will be selected from the comments and will receive free pro accounts. So don't miss your chance to participate. Before we wrap up, it's worth mentioning some of the incredible credit benefits that AZ8 offers. The platform features a $1 million creator fund, and approved creators can receive up to $300 in free creation credits to help bring their ideas to life. And if you're a Studio Annual member, you'll also receive 60% off additional credits, making AZ8 one of the most cost-effective AI video creation platforms for producing high-quality videos at a significantly lower cost than many other alternatives. I hope you found this video helpful and learned something valuable from it. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to leave a comment, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future tutorials. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care everyone, and goodbye.